Hey, what's up everyone? So in this video, I'm going to be doing the installation and a demo of this Ikea Nymane ceiling lamp that I've got here. And I've already installed this, but I will take it out and then we'll do a fresh installation. And I'll also do a demo to explain about the features towards the end. So let's get started. So the first thing that you should do is turn off the power supply to the lamp or the electrical socket where you want to install it. So I'm going to turn off the power supply and then we'll get started with the installation. Alright, so I've taken the lamp out and this is what we have so far. And basically this is what you get in the box. You get this bracket which needs to be attached to the wall. So basically the bracket will get attached to the wall and then you can place the lamp and then this screw will fit on top of the lamp. So we'll get to that part later, but let's check on the back side the wiring that we have got, and you'll find this kind of a case where wires are already connected that go to the lamp, and then on the other side over here you need to connect the wires that are coming from the wall. So you'll have two wires going inside this attachment over here. Now coming to the front side, these bulbs that are attached in the lamp are not something that you get along with the lamp itself, but you'll have to buy these bulbs separately, and these are GU10 bulbs that fit into the socket. This can be purchased from Ikea itself. So you need 3 of these bulbs, and they are basically just plug and play bulbs, so you can place them here and tighten it so that it's tight and secure, and then this thing needs to go on top. So it's as simple as that. And then this lamp has a little tilting mechanism, so you can tilt these individual holders as per your need. Now that the bulbs are installed, let's quickly get to the assembly part. Now if you see over here, we've already got this bracket attached. It was from my old lamp, so I'm going to take this out and then we will place the Ikea bracket over here. So it's pretty simple. You need to drill 2 holes if they are not already there for you, and then you need to place the bracket and then place a couple of screws inside to make it tight and secure. So this is how it looks so far, and I couldn't get this screw all the way in, but I think that should be fine as long as the bracket is not moving. And now comes the part of attaching these wires that are running from my ceiling to the lamp. So let's quickly do that. And to make things simple, since you'll be working at a height, you can attach this lamp over here into this little arm that's provided over here, and then start working on attaching the wiring. So basically what I would be doing is connecting these 2 wires over here on these 2 sides. So one wire will go here and the other one would go here, and once it's done it would look something like this. Now since I'm working at a height, I won't be able to demonstrate this, but once the connections are done, we'll take a look at this again. Alright, so this is also done, and over here you can see that the wires that were running from my ceiling are now connected in this socket. So the black one goes over here and the blue one is over here, and these 2 wires were already attached to the lamp. So we have basically supplied power to the lamp. Now we can close this and then do the final bit of the installation, which is nothing but to place the screw here and then tighten this up. So the final bit is to just place the screw here and tighten this up. And then, like I mentioned in the beginning of my video, you can adjust these lights as per your liking or wherever you want to direct the light. So this is how the lamp looks once the installation is done, and from a demonstration perspective, I think there's not much to be shown here. You can see that the lighting is quite nice, and since you can focus it in any direction, let's say if you want to highlight a particular item in your house, then you can do that by adjusting the bulb direction. So that's it for this one, guys. I hope you like this video, and if you have any questions about the installation process, you can add those in the comment section below and I'll answer them as soon as possible. So thank you again for watching this video, and do subscribe to my channel.